In this video we're talking about how to find the volume of a square base pyramid. The reason you know it's a square base pyramid as opposed to a rectangular base pyramid is that you'll have these little lines on the bottom, which means the length of that side is 4, the length of that side is 4, that side is 4, that side is 4. They're all the same length. This 10 is equal to the slant height. It's different than the height. The slant height is a line that goes from the top of the pyramid down the side to an edge. The height of the pyramid goes from the pointy part of the pyramid down, straight down. If you think of like gravity, we'll pull it straight down. So to use the formula for volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times height. If we're finding volume, we know the third. The area of the base, well, it would just be length times width. Length is 4 and width is 4. So we still need to know height to be able to solve this equation. Hopefully you can see by my beautiful illustration that what we have here, the height is this side. We know that the slant height is 10. And if the length of this side is 4, the length from here across to the other side would also be 4. And the point right under the tip of your pyramid, or the pointy part, will be exactly halfway along that line. It'll be sort of in the middle of our base. The length of the whole thing was 4. The length of where it is at the middle will be half of 4, will be 2. So we've got essentially a right angle triangle where the bottom is 2, this side is 10, and h is our unknown. Well, this side will be the hypotenuse, which we can think of as C. And think of this side as A. You could say it's B, it doesn't make a difference. And then it looks like we can use the Pythagorean Theorem to solve for h. So the Pythagorean Theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared is 2 squared plus b squared will be this side and be h. We don't know. Equals c squared, which would be 10 squared. 2 squared is 4. Plus h squared equals 10 squared is 100. To get h by itself, I'll just subtract 4 from both sides, and I'll get h squared equals 100 minus 4 will be 96. So h will be the square root of 96, and I'll just do that on my calculator, and I get that's equal to about 9.8. So now I can go back up into our equation, plug in 9.8 for height, and then I'll be able to solve it. I'll go 1/3, so on my calculator I'll go 1 divided by 3 equals times 4 times 4 is 16 times 9.8, and I get that's equal to about 52.3. I didn't say units, but let's pretend that our units is feet, and its volume, so it would be 52.3 feet squared.